we're gonna go inside the greenhouse and take a look at um, the passion fruits from inside the greenhouse. The mango tree is doing really well. Oh, look at the chayote. I think some of them are ready for harvest. They're getting big now. You see that? It's getting pretty big now, the chayote. Ooh, that's a big one right there. That one over there. Right there. Couple of them. Ooh, another couple more. Wow. Oh, that one is big too, right there. See if we can see that one. Hard to see from here. Okay, and let's see the passion fruit. Oh, look, there's a couple that's turned purple already. Lots of passion fruits up there. Zoom out. You see, lots of passion fruit, and some of them have turned purple already, and some of them are really big. Couple big one there. Oh, I missed that one there. So there's a couple in there. Oh, some more over there. Let's see. Lots of passion fruits. And I actually harvest a couple. I picked up a couple that were on the rooftop. It basically fell off the vine. So all of them fell off the vine. I didn't even have to do anything. It just lay on top of the rooftop. So lots of passion fruits and chayote. Oh, this is an interesting chayote. Look at this chayote here. Looks like it sprouted, new growth from the seeds. So I have to plant that one. And then this is the Rollinia and June plum. It's a wax apple. And then, oh yes, I grafted the soursop onto a Cherimoya. It looks like it's taking off. So it's been a couple of weeks, a month already. These are doing really well. So I actually grafted a couple more onto a different Cherimoya tree. So we'll see. Looks like it's about to, sprout here. It's looking good. So earlier I climbed up the ladder to look for some of the passion fruits that fell off the vine by itself. So these are the ones that fell off the vine. It's very strange. They just fell off the vine while it's still green. It's not even purple. It's odd. This one, I don't know how long it has been fell off the vines. You see this part here is dried out brown. So anyway, I'm gonna go try it. I had one earlier. It was so good. Strong, flavors, very intense, and it was sweet as well. So let's see. up here. There's a couple more, but that's still on the vine. I'll just let it, you know, I'll let it fall off by itself. Now I'm not gonna pick it because I already have enough to try. So, and this is the top of the roof on the greenhouse. You can see there's still flowers, more flowers right here. I don't know the variety of this passion vines, but it is really good. Got a strong flavors. One that I just picked off the vines. Well, I didn't pick off the vine, it fell off from the vines. So these still looks a bit green. I won't try this for now. I'll try the one that's shriveled up. That's brown here on the top. Wow, I can smell the intense mango guava flavor. Last time it was more like a mango flavor. Last time I had this, it was more like a mango flavor. So this time, wow, when I cut it open, it's had a guava flavor now instead of mango. That's really interesting. Now that it's shriveled up, it's got that guava flavor instead. A stronger guava flavor. So sweet. Really sweet. Wow, juicy. Very strong guava flavors with a little bit hint of mango now. Wow. It's not even sour at all. It's just sweet. So good. So the one in Hawaii I had was really bad. So I never actually liked it back then. So I grew this because my sibling loved it. Now they got me hooked after I tried this. Wow. So that guava flavor to it. Sweet. Very interesting because has a different flavor than last time. Last time had a strong mango flavor. This time it's a strong guava flavor with a hint of mango in the background. And also that little melon flavor as well. Very slight melon flavor. Wow. Really good when it's shriveled up like this. It's much sweeter too than last time. So this one hasn't shriveled up yet, but the tip is the stem here is brown, so I'm gonna try it anyway. It's got a guava flavor, sweet as well. The seed doesn't really bother me that much now. It's crunchy and you can eat them. So good. Wow, so delicious.